here back with Kenny Dykstra. Kenny, well, I won the Rumble, and I am going to go against someone fierce. We'll see. Talk time with the Pope. Okay, I'm ready to face him. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, Shaiken. No, well, you think you'll face one of us? You have the Battle Royal tonight, Sonny. Oh, hey, oh man! Oh, 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 oh. You. Smile. Oh, the last person out to come to be in the Royal. Hey, man, I'm Kofi Kingston, and I'm gonna win. Oh, let's see what we have in store today. Elijah. Oh, Shelton already goes for Kofi. Oh. 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 I'm not getting in that mess. Oh, there it was. What's this? What's this? He's trying to push him out. Need help. There's Kurt just sitting there. Kurt, do something. Oh. Oh, did Shelton hit? Did Shelton hit? Oh. Oh, he's out. Oh, wait, he hung on. Oh. Oh. Let's see if Dykstra can come out now. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Oh, what? Kurt just wasted his time with getting Dykstra out. Oh, Kofi. Oh, freaking. Kofi. Oh. Oh, Kofi. Oh. Oh. Oh, you run to it. Oh, the king. Fighting. Oh. Ding, 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 ding. Here's the winner. Elijah.